Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled The Consequences of Acting Like an Animal by Police Insider. Gas cap open.
What for? I have no reason to
Step out for me.
Sir, you have to give me a reasonable reason why. Or I'm... No,
we got a TikTok lawyer.
Call your sergeant now.
Get out now.
My life is in danger and you're threatening me.
Whoa.
No, call your sergeant, then I will. I will talk to your sergeant. No, I don't have to follow that order unless you give me a legal reason why.
You have one warrant.
Legal reason?
Warrant for?
Being a jackass?
Open the door now.
What do I have a warrant for? Help! I'm being assaulted by an officer! Help! He's assaulting me! I don't know why!
I'm used to the women acting like this, but not the men.
You're assaulting me!
Open the door.
He's assaulting me! He's assaulting me out!
What are you reaching for?
Open the door.
I will! What do I have a warrant for? Tell me now.
Oh, shit, no. Whatever you had a warrant for it, you just multiplied it by 10.
You are assaulting me, sir!
Give him back up. He's fighting me. Take it off.
Uh-oh. Now he took off. The guy on the back was just chilling. He got a cut? Oh, damn. He gonna have to get a shot for that now. Taking a shot.
I'm in pursuit. I'm in a car pursuit. He was biting me. He refused to get out of the car.
He bit you that hard?
Northbound Clear Creek, Franklin. Coming up on Austin. Going left on Cranes Run.
Now, if the cop want to punch him in the face when he get out the car this time, he got every right to. He got him bleeding.
Right on Purple Finch.
Damn. You need to put an alcohol swab on that.
17 miles an hour.
Hopefully he ain't got AIDS.
On Old Osprey. Get out of the car now!
Did he pull out to his house?
Get out of the car now! Get out of the car now!
After this rabid 24-year-old bit into an officer's arm and fled at 100 miles per hour, his Jeep screeched to a sudden stop in a residential neighborhood. Wanted on a warrant for domestic violence and now actively evading police, the suspect was surrounded immediately as officers swarmed from both directions.
This couldn't have been my house, because, boy, I would have been sweeping the grass. I would have been watering it. I would have been doing something, probably vacuuming in it. Anything to see what was going on outside of my residence. My papa would have been mad if a cop would have pulled up on his grass like that. You get your mother shit out my lawn.
How many you got in the car, Strader?
There's one in the car.
Just one in the car.
Just one. He's got...
Bill, if you guys want to come, just one of you stay there. Sierra, go to Strader right here. Strader, if you want to shut your door while we got her, and we'll order her back to you.
That's a guy.
Roll your window down. Put your hands out the window now.
What's his name?
Noah.
Noah.
All right.
Like Noah's Ark.
Back to Strader here.
Noah! Open the door with your hands up.
Somebody got a loudspeaker?
He was on the phone 911 earlier. Like Mom.
Okay.
Damn.
Roll the window down and put your hands out the window now.
Any weapons?
Put your hands out the
Nothing
window
right now,
now.
but there's a dog.
Roll the window all the way down.
Say what?
There's a
I would have, boy, my neighborhood, everybody would have been out just watching to see what's going to happen.
dog in the car in the back.
What charge did you have, Strader?
Assault on a police officer. Obstructing.
Roll the window down and put your hands out the window.
Flee, failure to comply.
Does somebody have a shield?
No.
Run and call.
Ma'am, roll the window down and put your hands out the window.
That's a dude.
Stop talking to us. You're talking on the phone and listen to us.
Listen to me, okay? Nobody's gonna hurt you. Okay? Listen, nobody's gonna hurt you. Okay? We need you to step out of the car and come to us with your hands up. Okay? Nobody's gonna hurt you. All right? Listen, we can talk, Noah, we can talk about that, okay? Look at me, brother. Hey, Noah.
I'm going to throw sticks underneath the back tires.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to take commands. He said he'd talk to me. Open the door and come talk to me.
You guys got me?
What is that? Have to stop the car from going forward?
54, 34. I got sticks underneath the back wheels, just FYI.
Officers positioned spike strips at both the front and the back wheels to immobilize the Jeep in case Noah decided to flee again. But little did they know that the suspect was out of gas and unable to drive away.
That reminds me of, what is that, PUBG? When your car run out of gas and you get shot at, boy, that is some to go through, boy. That's crazy.
I'll approach this side. We'll get right across. Okay. Ready? All right. You're my lethal cutter. I'm going to talk. All right.
How the hell you gonna go on a fast speed chase and you ain't got enough gas? You supposed to fill up for stuff like that.
Somebody needs hands.
Bro, keep your hands where they are, all right? Keep your hands where they are. Don't move, okay? All right.
We're going to open this door.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Taser!
Stop.
Unbuckle him.
Come out.
I'll cut his belt. Let me in there.
I don't know what I did.
That's a strong ass seatbelt.
No, you didn't. I
I
asked.
had a warrant. I told you. He's got his knees.
Hey, he's trying.
Do not claw me.
Watch your hands. Don't get bit. Don't get bit.
Oh.
Stop resisting.
I don't know what I did. I don't know.
I got right arm. Somebody grab left. Somebody grab his left.
Is he biting his? Wow, nah.
You tell me, please. That's all I asked for.
Grabbing onto my
Like your officer, you tell me.
Phil, do you got his right hand?
Oh, hell nah.
Stop.
I'm scared.
He need a mask.
I'm scared. Help! I was assaulted. Can you tell me? All I did was ask for information of me. I let go. I'm done. I promise. I'm just scared. I don't know how. Ow! I'm not doing anything. I'm not. I'm really not.
A knee on the head and they hold your mouth together. You gotta be one piece of motherfucker to be getting done like this. It was two knees on his head? Shit.
I was terrified. I was terrified. I'll comply. I can't move.
It's why you can't move. I was wondering why his body was going like this, but then I see that taser.
I can't move my arm.
This arm.
Yeah, it's really cancer.
This arm.
Yeah, you're doing it.
This was
I'm really scared.
really dumb.
Can you tell me what my warrant is for? I have no clue. Nobody alerted me. Nobody told me.
He was sprayed into.
Nobody has listed
Whoever's on
anything
the
to me.
passenger side.
I've been trying to get away from an abusive father.
He has a warrant. Noah, he had a warrant for Centerville for domestic, I think, or catering.
I was really scared.
All right.
I have no
Here,
clue
watch
what
coming up. Let's get off. You
Yeah,
good?
You want some antiseptic? I got a bottle.
They got a medic comment. All right. With them. At this point, it's not going to make any difference.
Somebody got gloves. Let's take these out.
Just stop. Noah.
Oh, yeah.
Just stop. We don't want anything else
No.
to happen. All right?
It's okay. I'm scared.
I know.
My father's
I
abusive.
know your father. Okay.
But he's very narcissistically, covertly abusive.
Okay.
And all I was trying to do was walk away from him.
Do me a favor. Take a couple breaths. Okay.
Is that from him biting you or what?
Biting me, clawing me, he was biting me here.
Is that just right now?
No, when I first stopped him, I went there and I told him to exit the vehicle, he refused to. He started reaching like he was going to get a drive, so I grabbed his arm, pulled it out the window. He started pulling me in, clawing at me, biting me.
You turned one arrest into several. Huh, that's crazy.
Eventually, he got in the drive and took off.
He just grabbed my crotch and tried to bite me, but I think he got on there, but I pulled my arm away.
Well, I got somebody coming for you.
No.
Yeah, just relax with us. All right, be cool with us now. All right, it's over.
Yeah,
all
I
right?
was so scared.
All right.
I have no clue why there's a warrant in my name. I've left out boundaries. I've asked people to leave me alone. I have no clue what's going on.
Wait, calm down real quick. Spread your legs.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. All
Yes,
right,
sir.
Do you have any needles on you or anything
No.
like that? Okay, all right. We just want to make sure.
Police officer, assault, obstructing official business, and resisting arrest.
Damn.
A grand jury later indicted Noah on all these charges. YouTube thinks you'll love the video.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.